Hello, good night. Okay, it's me, Jessica. Okay, um, I would like to say thank you. Thank you to, thank you to individuals, family and friends, um, namely police team and and business bowling club for in buying food in Lean Kai Kai fundraising because Lean supporting me with adult diapers, foods and some other things I need. And also not forgetting Three Angels Foundation PNG and Foundation PNG for big support, especially Loisa Agonia of Erima Funeral Home. Thank you very much, you all, for helping Lincoln, supporting Lincoln. So, yeah, me just like to talk thank you, Loyupla. So, supporting ma'am, buy more kai Game Lomina, sample narapol something. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you and good night to you all.